just launched on Tuesday. Now, we started with over 700 of these. Now we have 275 left. That's it. It's the Dyson Home, Car, and Boat Handheld Vacuum with attachment, already customer top rated for $199.99. Your 5 easy payments, $40, and yes, free shipping and handling. Did you get that? So everything this hour from Dyson on free shipping and handling. It's V87478. You're getting 3 tools with this one. You're getting your crevice tool, which I love. You're getting your combination tool, and then you're getting your mini motorized tool. Fun fact, the first Dyson I ever owned was one of these, a different model. Several years ago. I still have it. I still love it. It is what I use to clean out my car as well. Not here by myself. So happy she's in studio. I saw her setting up before we came on here. Miss Debbie is here. You know, she's our brand expert over at the Dyson team. This was my favorite one. I used this for everything when I got it.
Yeah, I mean, every home needs a handheld vacuum, right? And this one just launched this week. It is brand new. It's our most powerful handheld vacuum. So this is not the one that you're going to clean your floors with. This is the one that you are going to use to dust the tabletops, to take out to the car, to clean up the spills around the stove and all over the kitchen. When we do our spring cleaning and we want to clean out the windowsills, this is what you're going to grab. And what you're going to love is it's lightweight, it's compact, it weighs 4.2 pounds, yet, like I said, it's our most powerful handheld.
Love it. The one that I have, not as powerful. Trust me, I did the comparison when I found out that I was going to be doing this today. I said, wait, this is the new one, because you always want the new and the latest and greatest. But listen, I probably had that thing, I'm not even exaggerating, maybe for like at least 8 to 10 years.
Yes.
So I wouldn't be surprised if it was like the first one that Dyson came out. But this one, oh boy, let's get to some demonstrations, because when you see how this thing cleans, how powerful it is of a handheld vac, you know and love your stick vacuums. Imagine that power in a handheld vacuum.
Yeah, I mean, what's great is you can go anywhere because there is no cord,
That's right.
So cordless technology.
And under $200. Okay.
I know. I don't think I've ever sold anything before this that started with a 1. Right. I mean, it's
not
just
from Dyson.
Not from Dyson.
Yeah.
Here, we're going to dust this. We're going to clean up all of these cracker crumbs, and at the same time, I am dusting this tabletop. So this tool is your combination tool, and you can see these bristles. They're very soft, but you also get that wide angle crevice for being able to pick up the large pieces. So this is the one that you're probably going to use everywhere. Then we also give you the mini motorized. This is great because not only do you get the power of the digital V8 motor, you get a motor in the attachment itself. So now when you want to freshen up the couch cushions.
That's what I use it for all the time.
So good, right? It's quick, it's easy, it really refreshes everything. And again, you know, it's out at the car. It's on the stairs. It's the pet beds that get so hairy, and you're going to use that tool.
Or the Monifa that's so hairy and always shedding hair everywhere.
And then the crevice tool.
Yes.
This one is great for getting in between the cushions, right? Whether that's out at the car, under the car seats, or here down in between the couch cushions. This really fits into those tight, narrow spaces. And what I love is that it's a nice long crevice tool. And all of the attachments are being changed with these red quick release buttons. So you just line them up, they click into place, they're very secure, and you're getting three of our most used attachments so that you can clean wherever you need to go.
I appreciate that, because those literally are the top 3 that I use all the time, especially the combination tool on my dining room table, because I have a dining room table that's wood, and it has these little kind of indentions in them, so things fall in it all the time, and it's always hard to clean. That's perfect. It gets right in there and it cleans everything so nicely. But all the power that we love from Dyson in a handheld, so take it everywhere.
Yes, we know that every household needs a handheld vacuum because there are just simply areas that a big vacuum's not going to be able to go. And starting with the car right here, I mean, now instead of going to the car wash and putting quarter after quarter into that machine that you're sharing the vacuum with everybody, right? Now you have your own little car detailing vacuum right here. And I just use that combination tool again. But that same tool can pick up the spills and the messes in the craft room. Look at how it just pulls these beads in. When we talk about the power It's really remarkable because, again, 4.2 pounds, no cord at all, so really easy. And I'm using it on the regular powerful suction mode.
Wow.
If I want even more power, I just push this little button at the top over to max mode.
Okay, now it's on max.
Look at that. Right? So you have the ability to change the power on this regular.
It wasn't even necessary.
It's
You didn't
not
even
even,
need
I
it.
know. And on this regular powerful suction mode, we get up to 50 minutes of runtime, Anifa. 50. That is a lot of
You're not
cleaning
going
time.
to use it for 50 minutes straight, right? We're literally using this 5 minutes at a time. You know what I mean? A few minutes more maybe if you're cleaning out the car, but nothing, you know, too crazy. But look at all the things that you can use it for around the home.
Yeah, I mean, that's what's great about this. All around the kitchen, clean up after the pets,
Oh,
the
yes.
kitty litter, the pet hair, the dog food. That, you know, my dogs get the food all over outside of their bowl. And what we love is it has this whole machine filtration. So really helping to capture the dirt, capture the allergens, not send them back through your whole home.
Yeah.
And really allowing you to clean wherever you need to, whether that's the windowsill or out at the car or behind the washer and dryer. You know, what we love is you're going to be able to go everywhere, and everything that you collect goes right here into the
Right
bin. So it's very
there.
satisfying. You're going to see all of the things that you're collecting. Now, I showed you this mini motorized tool before.
It's my favorite
It's
tool.
great for pet hair because it does have that motor in the attachment. So you're going to see, you know, how easy this is to clean up the hair. And maybe this is the back of the car. Maybe that's the couch cushion, right? You get it all in one quick, easy pass, which we love. And then to change the attachments, you're just using the red button. So you're pushing the quick release button, and then the next one lines right up and snaps
that.
right into place.
That's easy.
Then we have this nice crevice tool here to get into this crevice. I like to use this, Munifa, to get the lint out of the dryer. You know, when
I do it
gets,
too.
Yes, it's great because it has that nice long reach. It fits into the tight, narrow spaces. Also the breadcrumb,
Yep.
you know, the drawer with all the crumbs. So you'll find a spot for all of these different tools.
It's funny you said the drawer. Okay, this is what happens is, you know how if you have an island or even wherever your drawers are, where your silverware and things are, what happens is when you're cleaning, stuff gets in those drawers. You
Yes.
open those drawers, you go, where did these
The
crumbs
silverware
come
drawer
from?
always has
right?
crumbs,
It's
right?
You go, where are these crumbs from?
Yes.
It's nice just to have this at hand. Go ahead and clean them out really quick, and you're done. You don't have to pull out that big one and then change it. Nope, you got this one right here. Probably lives really close to your counters, and you always have it at the ready.
And I'm going to show you how to empty the
Yes.
bin. I'm just going to empty it right here and we'll clean it back up. But
Okay.
you're just going to lift right up on this red handle. So you pull up on that. And as you pull up, the door kind of opens so that everything goes right into the trash can, which is really nice. So you're not having to, you know, touch any of the mess. And then again, just to show you this incredible power, we're
at
going to
that.
come back in and we're going to clean up this mess. Look at that we just made. So all of the messes, this can handle it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's light.
Okay, listen. Let me show you really quick, since it's all here.
Yeah.
This is what you're getting. A powerful Dyson handheld vac. I think this is the second time it's been on air.
Second time. Yep, it's brand new.
And
this
we
week.
are almost like out of them. Like, how many do we have left? We started with like 700, over 700 of these, and now we're down to like 270. That's
Wow.
it. This is the second time it's been on air.
Yeah.
It's brand new. So you're gonna get your handheld vac about 4 pounds, which is really great.
Yeah.
You're gonna get your multi-purpose tool. This one I love. What's the name of this
Mini
one?
motorized.
The mini motorized
Yes.
tool. And then your crevice tool. All of these tools you're getting.
Yep.
So this thing can go everywhere. You take it into the car. You take it into your boat, you take it into your RV,
Yep.
right? It goes with you. It's the one where you can literally leave like under the kitchen counter. If you have that space in that cabinet, you can put it there and bring it out so you don't have to worry about going to get that really big one all the time.
Right.
It's a Dyson handheld vac. It's actually the first Dyson that I ever owned. It was gifted to me. I kind of want it actually, but that's still a
Nice.
gift. And
Yes.
I love it. I still have it to this day, but it's not as powerful as this one. It didn't come with all these tools either. And when I
Right.
tell you, you use it everywhere, you're going to use this everywhere. You're going to probably use this more so than
Yes.
your stick vac.
Yeah, well, because it just makes it easy. It's 4.2 pounds. You're going to grab it, take it to the messes.
Yeah.
I love it for cleaning the stairs because we don't want to lug a big 17 or 20-pound vacuum up and down our steps, and you know, especially if it has a cord.
That's right.
So with this, you have all that power. Whoops, I still had it in the max mode. We don't need that. But look at how easy this makes cleaning the stairs. So again, I'm just using that mini motorized tool, picking up the pet hair, which is great. This also fits right into the riser, so it really is the perfect size for your stairs. And no cord to wrestle with, not plugging in and unplugging. So I just love the time savings that I get with this because it is so easy to grab and go to wherever the messes are.
That's what I love about Dyson. I feel like we all have to clean. It's just
Yes.
something that we all have to do. So when you have the right tools, it just makes it easier and it saves you time, which I do appreciate. Now I can go on to do other things that I want to do.
Absolutely. And this also, I'm going to show you when we come back, it has whole machine filtration. So when you're seeing the pet hair here, you know, and the dander that's in the air, that whole machine filtration is so important because it really does help remove the allergens and the dust from our homes, making our homes cleaner, right? You're also getting a 2-year warranty with this, which is great. So these are definitely built to last. I know you've had yours much longer. I've had mine much longer. No bags to buy, no filters to replace. Everything that you need is included, and you are getting 2 lifetime washable filters. So those are the purple pieces that are on the machine here. And what you'll do is about once a month, if you're using this vacuum regularly, you will rinse both of these purple pieces and let them dry completely. So just rinse them in your sink, let them dry, and then they just go right back onto the machine. But what they are doing is capturing. I know,
I'm whispering like it's a secret. It's under $200.
I know, it's incredible.
I can't even believe it.
So excited about that. Incredible value for sure. And these are going to capture 99.99% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. So
and that's important right now.
Oh, very important.
I mean, this time of year where it's a lot of things just is happening in the air. You want to try to keep things as clean as possible. That's why I love Dyson. They think about that, right? So it's really important that and that you can just wash them out and you don't have to keep rebuying them.
Yeah, what a lot of people don't realize is every single vacuum cleaner has an exhaust. So if you don't have a sealed system and you don't have this whole machine filtration, what winds up happening is when we are vacuuming and we're picking up dust or we're picking up the pet dander or the allergens or dust mites, what happens is it blows out the back of the vacuum and it just creates a vicious cleaning cycle. So we find ourselves dusting more often. We find ourselves sneezing in our house, right? This is great because it's capturing those particles and removing them up to 99.99%.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
So good.
And it's Dyson. It's a name that we know and trust and love. I mean, they have sold so many more. I'll walk over here and show you what it is again. And you're gonna get your charging cable with this. Dyson, they've sold so many, I wanna say over, how many stick vacs? Like 1 million or 2? Oh, stick vacs alone. Yeah, 2.1. Of the stick vacuums alone. So imagine having all of that power, but now in a handheld version. Which is so nice. So you're getting this, it's about 4 pounds, which is great, and you're getting all of your tools. So you're gonna get this gorgeous mini motorized tool. I said this is my favorite tool because it cleans up all that hair, and if you have pets, great, but if you're a person like me with very long hair that sheds all the time, these braids, they shed. So this comes really in handy. Then you're getting your multi-purpose tool. I use this a lot, especially like on my dining room table. I said that before, I have this huge wood dining room table, but it has like little indentations in it and things always fall in there, breadcrumbs, toast, you know. So how can I clean it with this? And then the crevice tool. That sofa. Hello, you gotta go into that sofa. Stuff just falls down there. I mean, we try, but things fall in there and it's okay. Now you have something to clean that out. And then of course you're getting your charger right here. So it just plugs into the machine and you plug this into the wall and then you're ready to charge it. And you said it's 50 minutes runtime, right?
Yes, up to 50 minutes. Now we recommend when you get this home, I know you're gonna be excited, you're going to use it right away, plug it in first and make sure that battery is fully charged. Look right here, you'll see lights that light up. Those are our battery level indicators, so you'll know when your battery's getting low. Right now I have a full charge.
Yes, right there.
Yep, I'll show you that again.
There
so we have 3 lights there now, but as the battery goes down, it'll go 2 and then 1.
Perfect.
So when it gets to 1 light, you'll know it's time to recharge. And then when you do recharge, the port is right here in the back. You just plug this in and then charge this like you would your cell phone.
There
So
you
really
go.
easy to do. You know, you don't have to worry about mounting it on the wall or
No.
anything like that. Plug it in wherever it's convenient. And I'm telling you, you're gonna start to clean your home differently because
You
instead
will.
of getting out the dust rags,
Yes.
right, you're gonna use this as your duster. So